Welcome back to DHP.
Yeah, we're about 3.5.
Oh yeah, we're shallow there. That's a good one though. Got a hole here.
Welcome back. We're in the Backcountry Lakes, just outside of Cajun. You're watching a DHP production. And we're just gathering some firewood, walking through the woods right now. Got a fire going, got some lines going. Just missed one brook trout. So stay tuned, it's about to be a dinger. Yeah, I was just gonna walk with the camera and you guys can kind of just take it in as I take it. Excuse me, take it in too, because it's so beautiful walking through the forest in the wintertime. Fine specimen. We're just going around and just finding anything dead and somewhat dry. It did snow about 10 centimeters last night, so that is the biggest barrier that not barrier, biggest obstacle I guess we were trying to hop over, is getting through the snow and find dry wood.
11:15. One bite so far. One brookie flag up. We got flags in 5 foot, 7, 8, 13, and 12.5. Trying to set up. We moved base camps. I don't know if you'll see any of that film, but we were over in a different spot.
Yep, now we're tucked in behind this rock face.
So we're gonna try and use the rock to hold some heat for us, help us get a fire going, and then cook some sausages up for lunch.
Just kind of hang out.
Jig a couple holes. Met some pretty dope dudes that are gonna come back later today and hopefully give us a hand getting out of here, because we're in deep. We left the gas auger probably
Halfway back on the trail, just left it.
Yeah.
And said we gotta pack lighter next time. So, oh well, we're back here now.
Yep.
Let's go.
Man.
Yeah, I hope we can fully encompass like the vibe that we're giving off. Just the backcountry, like it's just such a different type of experience than like Lake Erie or Lake Simcoe, like those big name lakes. Whole different vibe. Way more of a grind. Grind in a different way. More navigation. Oh, fuck.
put it in perspective. We got here, we were up at 4 in the morning, had a big snowstorm. Truck, we were planning on taking the ATV here, which would have helped a shitload. But got the truck stuck in the driveway, was not moving. So we took a different car, packed lighter. I'm good, thank you. Had to go down some deep roads and then hopped the lake and probably bushwhacked another 5K. So here we are, baby.
Yeah, so we're 2 lakes back. I didn't even think about that. Nice.
So stupid, man. He's got one! He's got one! Let's go, buddy!
No way.
No, eh?
Yeah. Yeah. No freaking way.
Yep, here, buddy.
That's beautiful.
Nice
yeah.
fish, man.
Yeah, good shit.
Yeah, break.
Skunks out.
What the fuck is up with that hole?
Going, yeah. Quick little update here. Got some sausage on the pan. Caught in 1 brook trout so far. The footage is very poorly done, but that's okay. It was very hectic in the moment, and it was kind of we were struggling for a bite there for a while. So the 1 flag went, and he just boom popped it up and just pulled it right up. So kind of missed that on camera. It happened so fast, but hey, it's all good. At least we got one on the board here. Yeah. So get some sausages going for the boys, and hopefully get you on some more fish here. So stay tuned.
So, 2 brook trout today.
So far.
Myself and Colin. I just caught this one about 5 minutes ago. We just had a bite frenzy of brook trout probably. We were bouncing around from like tip up to tip up, just getting hit, and nothing, but then this one finally committed. So, I mean, the lure that's been doing it is primal. We should say is primal. It's probably the best word for it. It's just a hook and worm and a spool of line,
So basic. Your grandma could do it.
and it catches.
I mean, we're eating dinner tonight, so
Oh, yeah.
can't see because of my shadow. Nice.
Let's do it for Ricky's, man.
Let's go, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll play it by ear, bro.
Yeah, I mean, up to you.
Oh, we're on. Oh, yeah! Let's go! Oh, on the Swedish pimple.
Let's see him, buddy. I know, so I'll get that done tonight.
Come here, buddy.
I have no idea.
Dude, that's wild.
That is pretty sick. Nice. That's a keeper.
Beautiful.
That's full.
So just got my first ever brook trout on Swedish pimple, and I'm pretty sure I got it all on film. So I am beyond freaking stoked. Here, I'll give a. These are the only. Oh, my shadow. Sorry, let me move. These are the only 4 we're keeping for the day. Gonna cook up a big dinner. We're with staying at a house, 7 other guys, so it's definitely gonna go around. And so yeah, it's a great day. Just lost another one at the hole as I'm talking, so I'm gonna change the battery and get back out there.
We gonna be alright.
Okay. You guys saw the time.
Yeah. Making pretty good time.
Yeah, we're about to go hit some Hortons, hit the gas station, and then hit a pretty exciting lake.
Off to Buckskin Lake.
Yep. Lakers, rainbows. It's gonna be a good day. Yeah. Ready, buddy? Let's go.
Sure.
See you at the lake.
Rock Lake over there. But we're heading to Buckskin.
And then, by the time we done that, we done drilling, and then
Yeah.
fucking,
Just keep going.
start jigging. Jig hard.
I was thinking for like the bows, like 8 foot. Buckskin Lake Road.
Yeah, but I think we want to go straight to
Yeah.
the boat launch.
Yeah, yeah. I think you're right. Lake is over yonder. And we've arrived. Haven't we?
We sure have.
Here we go. Set this tip up. Got a spoon down below and a nice fly hanging high. And we'll tip the spoon with some worm. And never got a bite on this one. Actually, we did get a bite on this one, but on the spoon we think. So we'll see. We're setting it up in 7 foot of water, 7.5.
Yep.
We're gonna try and keep it a bit higher up because we've read that the rainbows cruise high up in the water column. So yeah, we'll tip this with a little piece of worm and then we'll drop her in and set her up.
Yeah. Okay, drop it down.
Okay, so I was setting this tip up 9 foot of water, and just look at the screen here. I was pulling it up and it's a school perch. I've already caught 2. See if we can get another one here. There's one. Oh wow, not a bad sized perch, eh?
Yeah, show them the colors.
Yeah, these ones are different than Southern Ontario. Very, like, they got a blue to them, eh? That means it's a pretty dark lake, probably, like water wise.
They're live. Let's do an update for you guys. So we launched, I don't even know if you guys can see that, but way over there. We have that first tip up right across from that cottage. And we have since came across, we've started drilling out in this bay where we're gonna start fishing. But later we're also gonna come out into the main lake and start fishing that as well. So we set a base camp up nicely in between.
What's up, buddy? Yeah, I'm out of there.
First hole, everyone.
First hole, we found the spot we were looking for pretty well. To our right here, it's a creek, a little swampy area. Right in front of us here, it's a creek, little swampy area. I'll probably put on the rip and wrap to start.
Okay.
And then, yeah, we're in like a bay. So if there's fish in here, they're holding right here. So if we're sitting 22 feet of water, first bait of choice for me, white rip and wrap.
That's what I'm ripping.
See what type of fish is holding out here. We got the tip up set up. We moved the first tip up we set up, put in about 17 foot of water, and put the other one in about, what are we saying? 30, I think I said?
Yep.
Close to 30 foot of water. We just put them in the middle of the water column and hopefully something happens.
wrist jigger or an elbow jigger?
Wrist. It's all in the wrist. That's kind of a stupid question. When you're jigging with your elbow, if you jig with your elbow, don't subscribe. There's nothing going for you except a bad elbow. It's literally a flick of the wrist up, and that's it.
Elbow, you're engaging the bicep and the tricep. Wrist, you're just wrist muscles. So what's gonna get tired first? Tell me.
I'm a righty, bro. I'm chilling.
What did he say?
Kept this alive. For a very long time.
Huge, man.
Yeah, dude.
That's really sick, eh?
Pretty cool. So we just set up again. Just finished the fire. We're warm again, so back out fishing. We found what we believe is the only hump in this lake.
The only shoal.
Yeah.
It's not a very structured lake. Oh yeah, man.
See, we're gonna fish it. We're down in we're down 36, and we're gonna start jigging here. So stay tuned.
Dude.
One eternity later.
Alright, so it's about 1:30. We're in 80 foot of water now. 77, 78, same thing. We left that flat, that shoal area. Didn't mark much. Nice. Didn't mark much. Set one flag there. And then another one in about 50, I think it was.
Yep.
50 foot of water. So we'll see. We had one flag go up earlier too in 20 foot, but it was probably a perch.
Oh yeah, she's good. Helped us out here. Classic ramen. Should we do an update?
Update.
Whoop deep. What time is it, bud?
I'm checking. Probably 2:30. 2:50.
We, as you can see, there hasn't been much fish action. But that's okay. We're not here for the fishing. We're partly here for the fishing, but we're just here for the vibes, the good times, just taking it all in, just enjoying ourselves. Got some ramen on the cooking, on the grill, on the stove. Done. So we're just gonna chill out, have some food, get warm.
Really warm. This is a luxury right here.
And yeah, maybe there'll be some fish later. Maybe there won't. We don't care because we're here. It's already been a win today.
Yeah, we did catch some fish. Not what we thought.
A couple perch. I don't even know if we'll make the final edit.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa!
All right, ramen taste test. Let's go. It's hot.
You want the cones? Look at they're hitting it off the.
Can I get one to land on my hand?
You got seed?
Like if I grab the cones?
Maybe. Let's try it, buddy.
All right. That's a different one up there. No? We might have to get out of the fire, you know. He's like hanging upside down on that cone, bro. You see that?
Yeah, they like rip them off.
Well, there you guys have it. Yeah, fire's dying out here. We're gassed. It was a long week. We got on our first brook trout ever, so that's pretty exciting to see and catch on film. We didn't get the fish we wanted to today, but we don't really care because we had a great time just kind of setting up a little camp here for the day and hanging out and exploring this lake a little bit. So brand new area, neither of us have ever been here. We just found this lake last night on the internet, looking through Google Maps there. Yeah, so if you can take anything away from this video, it's to get outside and just enjoy it.
See you later on DHP.